Before deciding which colouring technique and shades to apply to our model Lizaveta, Becky Wardrop has conducted a thorough consultation to decide what chromatic type, skin tone undertone, eye colour, natural base, starting level, and hair condition she's working with. In preparation for this colouring technique, Lizaveta's hair has been pre-lightened with preparation Formula 1. Isolate and block 5 sections, the first in a teardrop shape within the internal area, whereas the other 4 sections will be obtained by creating a transversal line and a central parting. Add Milkshake Colour Specifics Colour Split to the colour formula. This product creates a barrier effect and allows for the application of different shades at the same time without staining or smearing, ideal to create multi-tone colours without using foils. On the rear right section, separate the first strand horizontally and using the Milkshake colour board, apply Formula 1 from roots to mid-lengths. Colour from mid-length to ends using Formula 2. Use a Z.one concept colour stripe to position the first coloured strand. Proceed over the right side, separating the strands horizontally and using the overlay technique, colour roots and mid-length using Formula 1. Colour mid-length and ends using Formula 2. To create this technique called overlay, Becky is applying to the external areas the darker colour from roots to mid-length and the lighter colour from mid-length to ends to create a greater ombre effect and emphasise the movement of the hair. Proceed in the same way on the entire rear right section by applying Formula 1 to roots and mid-length and Formula 2 to the ends. Proceed with the same technique on the left rear side, separating the first strand and apply Formula 1 from roots to mid-length. Colour from mid-length to ends using Formula 2. Proceed with the same technique over the entire left side. When combining 2 colours, unite them with a zigzag line and blend them with a brush. Starting with the right side, separate the first strand horizontally and using the Milkshake colour board, apply Formula 1 from roots to mid-length. Apply Formula 2 from mid-length to ends. Repeat the same actions on the opposite side. Add Milkshake Color Specific's color split to the formula and color the central section, called Hyper Drop. Separate the first strand horizontally and apply Formula 2 from roots to mid-length. Apply Formula 3 from mid-length to ends. Proceed over the second strand using the same technique. The Hyper Drop section directs the colour to the fringe area and creates a more diffused colour within the internal area. In Lizaveta's case, the same shade is being used within the internal root section as well as on the ends of the external area, whereas a stronger colour is being used on lengths and ends to give greater expansion and radiance to the shape. Conclude with the overlay technique over the internal section. The overlay colouring technique creates a very elegant blended effect, using similar tones for a sophisticated and sensual peach-toned colour.